Alrighty, let's have a look how we can fit this one simple Brunsko type toilet into the fix and rail. We put the toilet at the top, the water tank in there first. It goes from the outside to in here, just like that. And it just sits there. You can see it will go up and down nice and easy. Sitting there. Now we insert the cassette. I'm going to insert the waste cassette underneath it. We just lift it up. And this goes right there. You need to sit perfect in the middle like that. And now you close it from here. It's all done. Okay, there's a one little tactic. Sometimes if it doesn't lock from the very first edge, when it's right close there, you can use the second one. See the second one? This leg ridge, put in the corner, and then lock it. It's all good. It's good to go. Now the very final bit, this is the hook. We need to put it right here to make it fixed according to the regulations. Just undo that. You open this like this. Right, it's here. It's all done. Nice and tight. So hook is there. You put the toilet handle right there, and this top bit sits on here, straight and nice, and the final screws goes in. Okay, nice and tight. It's all good. So you can see it's all fixed. This is fixed as per the regulations, and you can remove the cassette from down here. Okay, to put the fix and rails on top of any board or plywood, all you need to do have 4 small screws, and that's done. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're good to go. It's well and solid, fixed.